If you're wondering what the Ray-Ban Meta glasses are like, I've got it. Hey, it's Olivia Christine from Christine, and I recently got Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses. I got it as a gift a couple of months ago, and I still hadn't really opened the box or even looked at the product, so I thought, why not do it in this video? Let's get into it. This style is called the Headliner, and this particular one was released with the 2024 batch. It comes in this brown leather case, it's tightly packed, and when I opened it, I should have pulled the tab, but I didn't, so be sure to do that. The pair I got is a classic matte black round frame and can be set up with prescription lenses. Inside, you can see where the glasses mount for charging, and here under the case is a USB-C charging port, but note it does not come with a cord. Just a quick look in the box, there are 2 slots where you can find a glasses cleaner as well, or lens cleaner, as well as materials like a get started guide for the glasses features and information on how to get these as a prescription. The first thing I wanted to do was try these on because I was so curious to know what the weight and style looks like. So my first impressions, they're definitely heavier, and I feel like I should be wearing a beanie and a knitted sweater, but I'm going to share more thoughts on that later. Let's move on to the features, which I am most excited to explore. I definitely had to refer to this guide because I had no idea what was going on. On the left temple of the glasses, there is a power switch to operate the glasses. If you push it forward, it turns on. When the glasses are on, there is a blue notification LED that will illuminate. Then over on the top of the right temple is the capture button. You press this once in order to take a photo, and you hold it down to take a video. At the front of the glasses are the camera and the capture LED. Then toward the back at the temple tips, that's where you place on top of your ears, is where the left and right speakers are, and they're also on top of the temples as well. Moving on to the underside of each temple, there is a microphone on each side, and at the bridge where the glasses charge is another microphone placed on the nose pad. So here are my thoughts on the glasses and some example footage now that we've gone through the anatomy. When I was unboxing this, I just thought they were glasses. And I was just like, stylish wise, they're just okay. They're a little thick, they're a little heavy. I mean, I don't look ugly. They're just a little thick and heavy, and I could see these feeling a little bulky, especially if you're going to try to wear them for longer periods of time. That said, what I didn't know is that these are transition lenses that turn into sunglasses. So I had no idea until I got outside that these are transition lenses. So this is what it looks like outside. Oh my God, I hope I don't drop my phone. If you want a better idea of what the photo and video quality looks like, here it is with 0 edits. It does look a little bit saturated to me, and apparently it only records and captures footage in vertical orientation. Overall, I'd say I like them, and I'm going to use them more often to test out the features. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.